In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a casserole tote bag for your holiday dishes. Be sure to pause or take a screenshot as you gather your supplies and note the cutting dimensions to create either a tote for a pie, casserole dish, or both. Let's go! We will be starting with one layer of our fabric right side facing up. Along one of the short sides, measure and mark 5 inches at both top and bottom. We will be pinning our straps on the inside of these markings, repeating on the opposite side. Place the other tote body fabric on top with right sides together. Pin the 2 layers together along the perimeter. Remember, how you pin it is how you will sew it. Along one of the long sides, leave a space large enough for your hand. This will be our no-sew area that we will bypass in order to turn the fabric right side out later. Position your fabric at the base of the no-sew area and begin sewing. Our seam allowance is 1/2 inch. As you approach your straps, make sure they are properly lined up along the edge of the fabric and then begin to sew, reinforcing with a back stitch. We are making our way back around and ending at our mark. Here I am clipping my corners just 1/8 of an inch shy of my stitching line to remove any bulk. This will ensure nice, crisp corners. Reach inside and turn the fabric right side out. I like to poke my corners out with a point turner. If you do not have one, you can carefully use the tip of a pair of closed scissors. Now that our fabric is right side out, we can iron our seams flat. I am ironing with steam for this step and rolling my seams so that my stitches are centered and not creating a fold or favoring one side more than the other. You can close the gap by cutting a strip of iron-on adhesive the size of your opening as previously shown, or by hand with a slip stitch. top stitch along both short sides at 1 inch seam allowance. Press to set the stitches in place. Fold the fabric in half, bringing short sides together to find the center. Mark with pins first and then chalk. We are going to create a gatefold by folding both short sides towards the center, pinning the sides in place. Sew the pinned sections, stopping and starting at the 1 inch top stitch line. The unsewn space will make it easier to get your dishes in and out once the tote is complete. To make this bag nice and strong, we are going to create bar tacks at 4 stress points. Check out our previous video linked in the cards on how to set up your sewing machine to complete this step. Using a scrap piece of the same fabric, Gently rub out any chalk marks and cut any remaining loose threads before giving your casserole tote a final press. Thanks for watching.